Today, we are going to learn about what is advance tax, how do we pay advance tax, and what are the consequences of non payment of advance tax. Advance tax is the amount of income tax that is paid much in advance rather than a lump sum payment at the year end. So, advance tax needs to be paid in installments as per the due dates decided by the Income Tax Department. Every taxpayer with an estimated tax liability of 10,000 or more in a financial year is liable to pay advance tax. So everyone, salaried individuals, the freelancers, professionals, businesses, everyone under the gambit of advance tax. So how is advance tax calculated? You have to add up all the incomes and then calculate your estimated tax liability, deduct the TDS, which has already been reflecting in your 26 AS, and then whatever the balance tax is payable, that is your advance tax liability. Why is advance tax important? Because if we don't pay advance tax on time, there is interest chargeable under section 234B and 234C